calling all units in the area.
In emergency situations, the new SD7 Rapid Kit is designed to provide rapid push-to-talk deployment
You're clear to go into the building.
and a mobile charging solution. The SD7 mission-critical PTT handset are always charged using the Rapid Kit's internal powerful battery pack.
Use your SD7 for us to stay connected and make sure we get all the kids out of the school.
The SD7 Rapid Kit is a ruggedized 6-device charging solution designed specifically for use with Siyata's SD7 push-to-talk devices. The Rapid Kit suitcase includes 6 SD7 push-to-talk devices, 6 backup batteries, an internal powerful battery pack, an integrated battery monitor, AC and DC inputs. The SD7 Rapid Kit provides 6 SD7 devices, fully charged and always ready, that are provisioned and ready to talk to each other out of the box for instant communication in emergency situations.
All clear. The kids are out of the school. Everyone is safe.
SD7 Rapid Kit, providing rapid PTT deployment for critical communications.